Barangay 1 San Francisco, led by their Unang Barangay George Cesar Fox with their SK chairperson Robert Malahon Jr. and their youth Chelsea Dolly Ala.
Once again, may we give a round of applause to the Bingao National High School. Of course, the Bingao National High School is under the leadership of the school principal, Mrs. Marilu Pasalo.
Talaga mo. Drawing.
May we give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Our delegates from Barangay 1, San Francisco. We also have here with us our delegates from Barangay 2, San Balcazar, headed by Punong Barangay and the Muse, Miss Claire Ashley Toledo.
Kitang da kita glabas at ito ilikod di pa pag naam ida.
Academy Libnos Drum and Lyre Corps. Of course, Santa Rosa Academy is under the leadership of Mr. Leonard Joseph Luis II, their school principal. May we request the Punong Barangays and the SK chairpersons of the request our school heads to join the group. So we have prepared seats for you on stage po. The incumbent barangay chairman, and of course, the SK chairpersons of the different barangays.
Now entering the medical tour, our delegate from Barangay 3 San Isidro, award with Barangay.
Let's give a round of applause for Barangay 4.
Your school principal, Mrs. Rose.
May we now welcome our friends from Barangay 5 San Silvestre Chairperson Franz Joshua Bagay and their muse Angelica Simpliciano. Again, may we give a round of applause to
Let's welcome the candidates from Barangay 6 San Juan Bautista with their
Mrs. Melba Deloria.
Ice cream. Ube ice cream.
Let's welcome from Barangay 7 San Miguel, the winner Puno Barangay Noel Villa, and of course their SK Chairperson Mike Christian Bautista and their muse Alexis Lacio. Once again, let's give a round of applause for Barangay 7 San Miguel.
Video yun. Video di dyan. Toy. Toy. Mayat.
led by their group Barangay Reynaldo Guillermo with their asking chairperson Crystalline K. Duama and of course with their muse Carmen Mangwan. Let's give a round of applause to Barangay 8.
Okay, we would like to request each to please be on stage. We have prepared seats for you here, including our school heads of the different institutions here in our municipality. And reminding everyone that we are, of course, having our Play-Go ordinance. So please put your trash in the designated bins. We have trash cans for biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Thank you so much. And at this juncture, we would like also to acknowledge the San Nicolas under the leadership of the school principal, Mrs. Vilma Bagay.
Let's welcome our friends from Barangay 9 San Lucas with their Puno Barangay Vicente Daong Sr. and their SK Chairperson Chloe Cabrera, with of course their muse Renfri Christabel Tan. Once more, let's give a round of applause for Barangay 9 San Lucas.
are requesting again our incumbent punong barangays to please.
Now let's welcome our friends from Barangay 11 San Fernando, led by their punong barangay Dominique de la Cruz, their SK chairperson SK Youth Angelica Tolentino, and their seniors Kaito Dashil Laila.
Damili nga, ayan, nag-kill. Criminal, ganun na. Dapat hindi may isa. Ngayon, kulay na.
Again, we would like to request our incumbent punong barangays to please join our municipal officials here on stage. Likewise, we are also inviting the school heads of the different schools in our municipality to please join us here on stage.
Now let's say hi to our friends from Barangay 13 San Eugenio, led by their punong barangay Emanuela Inen, their SK chairperson Dave Antonio, and of course their youth Cristel Denise Pasqua. Once again, let's give a round of applause to San Barangay 13.
We also give a round of applause to the Asuncion Elementary School Drum and Lyre Corps, headed by the school principal or school head, Mr. Randy Rosales.
Now let's say hi to our friends from Barangay 15 San Jose, with their punong barangay Giovanni Tailan, their SK chairperson Jessa Arizabal, and their muse Nia May Grace Sobrano. Once again, let's give them a round of applause, Barangay 15.
Of course, Bengal Elementary School is under the leadership of their school principal, Mr. Ruben Agustin. duwa nga linya nakabsat ni kada basketball team so that we can accommodate all the teams. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Sangguniang Kabataan Chairpersons of San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte. May we welcome them with a resounding applause.
And now welcome our friends from Barangay 19 San Lorenzo, led by their punong barangay Nestor Rimao, their
School Principal, Mrs. Nenita Araga.
Once again, let's give a round of applause to Barangay 21 San Agustin.
And now we will also give a resounding applause to the Catuging Elementary School, Dramilan for Mr. Bernardo Vicente. Again, we would like to invite our incumbent punong barangays and SK chairpersons to